What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another freaking beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. But today, we got a little change of location. I'm up a little bit past Atlanta for work, so I figured I'd just head down to downtown Atlanta, you know, Mercedes-Benz Stadium and whatnot, get a cool little video, go down there, explore a little bit. So that's what we're finna do today. But it was raining this morning when I drove in, but thankfully the weather is freaking great now. It's like 70 degrees. It is really windy, but that's all right. But yeah, I was freaking soaked this morning, but luckily it's a few hours later now in the afternoon. But you already know, I was driving through Atlanta, so I had to bring the bike, cut through all that traffic. Heck nah. It sucks. But we made it on time. A little early, actually. So it was definitely worth bringing the bike because I cut through a lot of traffic. But yeah, now we're gonna head to a little Atlanta for a second and then head home after that. Got some freaking AI looking clouds. They literally look like a painting. Like those ones, bruh. What is going on? It's cool though. I like it. Ooh-wee. But yeah, haven't been able to film much this week. It's been raining and really cold, but we're back at it now. Yeehaw! Yeah, I had a little work new hire orientation, even though I've been working there for going on like 4 months now. But you know what? It's alright. Never got around to it at first, I guess. They never got around to it. They were like, oh yeah, don't worry about it. And then they were like, yo, this is your last warning, you have to go to this one. And I was like, what? What? You told me not to worry about it. But it's alright, it's over now. Pretty cool, a little boring, but I did get to meet the owner of the company, CEO, whatever. So, yeehaw. But yeah, out here in the hood a little bit. Ah! But we're going towards the city. Don't worry. Gotta head to the downtown Atlanta. I don't think I've ever been here. Maybe when I was a kid. But I definitely haven't been to the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, because they didn't even have that crap. They just low-key built it. And the freaking Ghost meet was there last weekend. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it, which I was so sad about, but it's okay. I missed it for a good reason. But freaking Brian 636 was here and everything. Frick! It's alright. Maybe we'll meet again one day. I hope so. That'd be awesome. He is my most favorite motovlogger, not my least favorite motovlogger. Haha. Anyways. look at that skyline. Holy crap, that's where we're going. Haha. That's sick. I've never seen the whole skyline like that. Bruh, that's so cool. Dang, okay. Atlanta low-key has a decent skyline. Ooh, I smell weed. God dang. Okay, that might be a skunk. Oh. That's freaking tickling my nose hairs. Ah, downtown Atlanta. Here we go. Yay! I freaking hate Atlanta. The roads. All these highways and crap. But you know what? That's alright. Worth it for the video. Hey, dodge them leaves. Wow, got some pretty little foliage right there. Okay, okay. To go along with the spray painting, the tagging. Oh, speed report. No, wait, what am I saying? Speed check reported ahead. Oh, okay, that's it. Sorry guys, I've been sitting down doing nothing all day. Ah! This as deep as the Pacific Ocean, I wanna be yours. Secrets I have held in my heart, far harder to hide than I thought. Baby, I just wanna be yours, I wanna be yours. Oh, somebody got him. Pulled somebody over. What the? Chevy police truck. Oh wait, that said freaking DOT. Never mind. That's a DOT officer. He don't care about no motorcycles. Oh, that's a little bumpy. Dang. Little bridge. Woohoo! Alright, which exit am I taking here? I don't know. God, those bridges are so bumpy. Maybe this exit? I don't know. Getting closer. I see it. We got someone sticking out the window here. Alright, I see you. You're in the video, bro, don't worry. That's funny. Bro wanted to show us watching the video. Woo! Look at that. That's where we're going. Look at that old lady in a freaking C7 Corvette. That's what I'm talking about. It's the American dream right there. Oh yeah, that's freaking bouncy. Oh god. Bro, these roads are so confusing. Pretty cool though. I've actually never really been over here, so. It smells good. It smells like a bakery. Ooh-wee, there it is. Wow. Go ahead, woman. Sheesh. Yo, this is sick. Never been over here. Look at it all the time. Whoa, what the frick? That's so cool. That's sick. Dang, we got a little 18-wheeler action here. Bro's over the curb. God dang. I ain't got time for all that. Ooh. Oh. I need some freaking parking, bruh.